Dolly and Friends.
Hello, fellas. Today, Dolly and I are making the Pancake Art Challenge. What are you doing now, Dolly? Now I'm filling up the forms. Then I'll put them into the oven. Cool! Stay tuned to our show to see what we'll do next. And stay tuned for new episodes of Tommy Detective Stories! Tommy, what are you doing? We're making a cooking video here. Who needs cooking videos? Let's better film a detective story. No, go away. Yeah, go away, Tommy. Pancakes! It smells so good! What's happening? I heard something moving right behind me! Someone stole all our pancakes! Oh, no! We've put so much effort into it. What are we gonna say to our friends? Who could do such a thing? I don't have any idea. Looks like it's a job for Tommy the detective. Tommy! No need for these games. We know you stole our cookies. Me? It wasn't me. It was a spooky cookie beast. There is no cookie beast. You just made it up. No, it's a spooky cookie beast. It has 3 tails, 4 hands, and 6 big fangs. Stop lying to us. Just tell us where you hid the cookies. I didn't hide anything. But I'll find them or I'm not Tommy the detective. What are we doing here, Tommy? Looking for clues. Keep searching. I'll check the backyard. No, doggy, go away! What happened? Take off this muck from me. It's not a muck, it's an eyewitness. What did you say? Oh, really? Thank you very much. So where are we going now? To the beach! It'll never end, will it? I think I have an idea. How to end this quickly. Hey, Tommy! Tommy, we found something! Look, there are footprints on the sand. And they're going into the cave. Well, I don't think that cookie beast is hiding in such a scary place. Where else would a spooky beast be hiding? Come on, go into the cave. Or you can admit that there is no cookie beast and you completely made it up. What happened, Tommy? Yeah, what happened, Tommy? Are you scared? What nonsense! I'm not scared. I was just looking for my, I was looking for my camera. Your camera? Yeah, because I'm gonna make my own film about zombies. Cool, zombies. Can we star in your film too? Please, Tommy, please. Okay. I'll be a girl running from zombies. And I will be a zombie. Arr! Let's go.
Camera, action!
Ouch, Panda! Panda bit me!
Panda, you don't bite Dolly in this scene. Sorry, I'm hungry.
Me too! And me too! Oh.
Okay, 5-minute break.
Hooray!
Who wants a sandwich? Oh no, it's empty.
What? Doggy, you stole our sandwiches!
But I'm still hungry.
Wait! It can be dangerous!
I'm hungry.
Where have you been so long? Dolly, Panda, Barry's zombie. Yeah, we're Dolly and Panda. Oh, here you are. Wait, I'll take the camera. Yeah, keep playing. Watch out! Open, please! Open, please!
Oh, again, those kids. Now, tell me what's going on here.
We were hungry, but Doggy ate all the food, and then we saw a berry bush. Dolly and Patty ate the berries and became zombies.
Were those the purple berries?
Yes!
Now we need to feed them the orange ones to make them normal.
Dolly, dinner time. Oh? Oh, Dolly has lost.
I'll call Johnny the officer.
Look, we need this orange berry to cook a potion.
I see them! The orange berries! Oh, but Dolly and Panda are walking around there.
We need to think of something.
Any ideas?
I think I came up with.
Zombie photo session! Okay. Now smile, please.
Almost done! Hold on, bro!
Oh, what's going on here?
Come on, go inside.
Now tell me what's going on here.
It's Dolly and Panda, but they're zombies now.
What? Can we find a way to help them?
Already found. We need to feed them orange berries. Brother Hedgehog, have you got some?
No, I've lost all of them!
I don't think so. Johnny, do you have some donuts?
I'm working in the police. Of course I do.
the apocalypse.
Oh, finally! We were so worried about you.
Let's see, what do we have here? Going higher. Oh, Tommy! Every time it's the same trouble. What? Huh? What's this?
Hey, we're waiting for you, Dolly.
Oh.
Oh, what's this?
Wow!
A cave full of crystals.
Huh? Hi, Tommy. How's it going? Nice! Looks like they'll never end. Good job, Tommy. Put them to the rest.
Oh, a green one. What the? Come on, stop it. Don't touch the green crystals. Ah, we're cubic.
We're cubic now. What are we gonna do? No panic. I know who can help us. Let's go.
Please help us!
Who are you?
I'm Panda. I'm Dolly. I'm Tommy.
What? Eddies.
Ouch!
Oh, it's truly you.
Look, we found it in the cave, and then we became cubic.
Skibbity bobbity boo. Look, you need this blue crystal.
Looks so scary.
Do you want to stay cubic forever?
No.
Come on, jump into the portal.
I see it. A blue crystal. Run! Tommy, catch it! Dolly, catch it!
Oh, why so long?
Watch out! The slugs!
What the? Can't you live a single day without incidents? Hopefully, I know what we should do. The book. You You need 5 green crystals to open new portal. Then lure the slug into the portal and voila, problem solved.
Why can't you just open the portal with your staff?
Because we have a giant slug here. It needs a giant portal.
But how can we lure the slug?
Turn on imagination. That's all. Now go away. I can't mess with you all day. Come on, go.
Huh. Well, hopefully we have a single slug. Sure, he's single. Let's make him miss his slug to lure him in the portal. Oh, no. Hold still. I'm not really sure if this is a good idea. You look pretty. Take care of the slug and we'll take care of the crystals. Okay. I see mine! Me too! Are you done there? Huh, let's finish this! Phew, what an adventure!